Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool TS22 lineman's butt set, and this is Albert's equipment from New York. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool lineman's butt set. These were very good units and they're very sought after. I actually use one in the field all the time. Albert has a note with this unit. He suspects that the primary battery is bad. So what we want to do is troubleshoot this unit, and if the primary battery is bad, we're going to go ahead and replace the primary battery, and we're also going to install a battery socket so that the battery can be changed at any time. We want to get a start on this unit. We're going to go ahead and take some still pictures, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're going to show a little bit about what we found in troubleshooting. Now, this TS22 originally came into the shop because of the primary battery, and that is an issue, and we'll show that. The primary battery only has less than a volt, and it should be a 3-volt primary battery. The reason why Albert couldn't break dial tone with this unit is because one side of the leads has had something spilt on it, and it corroded the wire inside the line, and there was a break a couple of inches down from the bed of nails, and we're going to go ahead and show that. It looks corroded. There has been something spilt. So this is the line that's been pulled out a little bit from the cloth covering, and you can see that it's discolored, and up close you can see where it has corroded the wire line. And we'll set that to the side, and it looks like that spill got pretty much all over the unit, but there's a real dark spot right here on the cloth cord. And we also want to talk about the connection point to the bed of nails. So this would be on the line, and they just crimp it. So that really needs to be soldered, and I'm surprised that it's not soldered because this is a quality bed of nails. Now we also want to show our primary battery. It's very low. It's less than a volt, but it is in the circuit, so that may be pulling it down just a little bit. But they usually don't like to trigger the circuitry when they're that low. So we will be replacing the primary battery and adding a battery socket so that you can change the primary battery at any time in the future. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool TS22 lineman's butt set. And we want to run through a little bit about what went on with this unit. Now, earlier in the video, we showed that we found some corrosion on the ring side, which is the red side of the test lead for the butt set. And so we took care of that issue. But what we also found was that line on that side, on the ring side, which is the red lead, was stretched, and that had to be taken back a little bit. So it's still very usable. It's a quality set of bedded nails with the line cord, and it won't affect the usability of the unit at all. But we did have to shorten that some to get rid of that stretch. Probably in the field it was connected up to a telephone situation, and the butt set probably fell and it stretched that line out on the ring side, or continuously wrapping the cord up real tight can also cause that. So however the issue started, the corrosion got in to that line on the red side or the ring side. We have our analyzer set up so that you have proper polarity, so the LED will be green, and that's on the left. Now we have the line out that we're going to make a call with, that's backwards, so that will show red. That's just to show that both lights work for proper and improper polarity. So green for proper polarity, red for improper polarity. And so now what we want to do is go ahead and ring the unit. So we'll go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle. Let that go a couple times. I'll let it go one more time and then we'll give you some dial tone. What we're going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and go to the first amplified stage. Now I'm going to hit the second, and I'm going to turn the amplifier off, and you can see the green light. That's an indication of a proper polarity. Now what we want to do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I'm going to transmit into the handset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every time you see that red indicator on the analyzer, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So now what we want to do, we'll go ahead and hang the unit up. Now that we know that this unit is responsive to an incoming ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have amplification, and we have receive and transmit. We can go ahead and move this line cord over to a line out, and we can call a time and temp number. Now what I did was I pre-programmed under the recall function the time and temp number. So now all I have to do is get dial tone, give amplification, and hit the recall, and I stored it in 1. So we'll go ahead and turn the unit on. Like we mentioned earlier, the red LED light is on because we have our main outgoing line switched so that we could show the improper polarity. And now we'll go ahead and give some dial tone, and we'll hit recall 1.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Saturday, September 21st. The current time, 8:15 p.m. and the temperature, 75 degrees.
We'll go ahead and turn the unit off, and we want to make sure we turn our amplification off. Now that we know that this really cool TS22 Lineman's butt set, which is in very good condition for its age, has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Albert, and he can put this unit back into service in the field. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.